In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Upwork. If you spend long hours working, reviewing proposals, or messaging clients, switching to a darker interface can reduce eye strain, conserve a bit of battery on some displays, and simply make your workspace feel calmer, especially at night. We'll go through the exact clicks you need, with a few helpful tips along the way. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search box, type Upwork, then press Enter. In the results, click the official website at upwork.com. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and sign in so the appearance settings are available to you. It can be handy to bookmark the homepage now for quicker access later. Once you're on Upwork, look to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture or a circle with your initials. Click that to open your account menu. This menu is your quick route to personal preferences, settings, and the visual theme. Within that menu, find the option labeled Theme. This is the control for how Upwork looks on your device. When you click Theme, you'll see choices like Light, Dark, and sometimes Auto. Light is the default bright layout. Dark switches the interface to darker backgrounds with lighter text. And Auto tells Upwork to match your computer's system appearance if it changes throughout the day. Select Dark. The switch should take effect immediately across the interface. You'll notice the background shift to deep grays or black tones, while text and icons adjust for readability. This can make long reading sessions more comfortable and reduce visual fatigue. If you prefer your theme to stay in sync with your device's day and night schedule, you can come back to this same menu and choose Auto. And if you ever want to revert, just return to Theme and pick Light. If you don't see the theme option right away, try refreshing the page after signing in, or open a new tab and navigate back to Upwork.com. Also, make sure you're on the main site and not a standalone help or embedded page where some menus may appear differently. Keeping your browser up to date helps ensure UI controls display correctly. And that's it. You searched for Upwork, opened the site, clicked your profile in the top right corner, chose Theme, and selected Dark. Your preference is saved, so the next time you log in, Upwork should remember your choice. Enjoy a more comfortable browsing experience while you search for jobs, collaborate with clients, and manage your projects. Thanks for watching, and happy working in dark mode.